A factory caught fire at the industrial estate in Siliguri. The factory was shut down due to the lockdown. Local residents saw smoke billowing out of the factory and informed the owner. Later, 2 fire tenders came and doused the fire after an hour of firefighting. Most of the factory was gutted in the blaze. There were fortunately no injuries as the factory was closed. Firemen said that the cause of the fire could be a short circuit, which is being investigated.
ফায়ার নিয়ে চলে আসলাম সেই হচ্ছে এখনটা ভালোই বলছে সেক্ষেত্রে আমাদের দুটো শিলিগুড়ি থেকে আরেকটা অর্ডার টেন্ডার এসছে দুটো মিলে ডবল হোক দিলে কাজ করছে।
The Siliguri Metropolitan Police arrested a youth and recovered a large quantity of banned drugs and cough syrup from him. The youth was on his way to Fulbari to sell to some customers when the police nabbed him in New Jalpaiguri. He was produced at the district court. The narcotics wing of the BSF and the state police jointly raided a flat in Balurghat and recovered a large quantity of injection ampules, syringes and marijuana. There was nobody present in the flat that was raided. Neighbors were shocked to see the number of contraband items that were stocked in the flat. The police have begun an investigation and is trying to nab the culprits involved in the case. There was nobody present in the flat that was raided. Neighbors were shocked to see the number of contraband items that were stocked in the flat. The police have begun an investigation and is trying to nab the culprits involved in the case. The ADGIB Neeraj Kumar Singh held an administrative meeting with senior police officials of the districts here in Siliguri today. According to sources, the main topic of discussion was in tackling the situation, if it arose, on the demand of a separate state or union territory of North Bengal.
এডিজি আইবি সাহেব কলকাতা থেকে এসেছিলেন আজকে নর্থ বেঙ্গল ও সারাউন্ডিং এরিয়াতে জাস্ট একটা কোঅর্ডিনেশন মিটিংয়ের জন্য, সেটা আমরা আজকে নর্থ বেঙ্গলের যত ডিআইজি আছেন, সিপি শিলিগুড়ি সাহেব ছিলেন, আইবির পুরো টিমটা ছিল, আমরা জাস্ট একটা কোঅর্ডিনেশন মিটিং করেছি।
A 4-member team of the Human Rights Commission landed in Bagdogra from Delhi. They will be traveling to Malda and will be inquiring on the deaths due to political violence in the district. This is the second time the Human Rights Commission is in Bengal to investigate deaths due to political violence in the state.
आपके माध्यम से एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि कल मालदा न्यू सर्किट हाउस जो भी ऐसे लोग हैं जो ये मानते हैं कि वो विक्टिम हैं इस पोस्ट पोल वायलेंस के, वो कल हमारे पास 11 बजे तक 12 बजे तक मालदा न्यू सर्किट हाउस में हमारे पास आएँ, अपनी एप्लीकेशन लेकर आएँ। उसके आगे का जो हमारा रूट मैप है वो हम बता नहीं सकते हैं।